It's Friday, July 15th, 2022. Ready to get started here with some trading. Some signal here on CL to go long, to go short. Just watching it here. Anyway, I will be back shortly with more signals. In case you're wondering, I haven't been sending out gold signals because gold is just simply not moving. It's going sideways. It's in a super tight range. It's just simply not moving at all. So until gold moves again, I'll have to stop on the signals. Hopefully it'll start moving soon. I'm sure it will. Just for right now, can't send them. Okay, CL came pretty close there to getting me in long. Now this SPY stop, anytime you do a stop like this, unless it's a stop limit, a regular stop is a market order. So it's going to get me in no matter what. This is one of the reasons why I use them. Sometimes instruments will go pretty fast, and if you use a limit order or a stop limit, well, it'd be a stop limit order in this place. If you use a stop limit order to get in, you have to get a kind of a wide buffer to get in. It depends upon the instrument. But a stop will just get you in all the time. And sometimes I get a better price. You know, sometimes it goes up there and hits, and then it kind of drops out really fast, and the bid drops out, and the ask drops out with it, and so I'm able to get in at a better price even. Happened the other day. Doesn't usually happen though. Usually I get, a few extra ticks, but at least I get in, because sometimes you won't even get in if you place the wrong order, like a stop limit order, and don't give it enough buffer. You won't even get in. And since I know the direction of the market via the codes, you want to get in, take the trade. So I'm just using stop orders here, which are at market. I'll be back. Okay, CL has triggered long here. Now the market has, CL, I should say, specifically, has not been running that much lately. So once this thing gets up to $500, I will not let it come back against me without getting out. So basically, it's either going to be, once it hits 500, that's like a stop in my mind. Boom, I'm getting out now if it goes back to break even. Once it gets to 500, I can either get out right there, or I can let it go to 1,000. Is what I can do. Let it go to 1,000 and then get out. But it's not been running that much lately, so I recommend to just take the profits when you got them. I'll come back. It looks like the markets are going to go up today. We're going to be getting signal here on ESNQ and YM, and they are already moving up right now. But I need to wait for the actual signal of the code to come. Sometimes the markets can trick you and get you in thinking it's going one way, but then go another. That's why you need to have the codes and to use them. Anyway, I will be back shortly. It looks, they are just, I wouldn't say they're running, but they are just pushing higher and higher and higher here. Oil, of course, should follow. Yeah, it looks like a market move up. BTC also. I'll be back. All right, we are really getting a big move up here on the markets. I just sent out a signal telling everyone that I believe that this is a very possible big move up today. We might be getting a large move up today here. That's what the markets look like they're going to do right now. And this also looks like this with respect to the code as well. It looks like they are going to make a big move up today. Yes. Okay, I am going to take a long signal on the market very soon. Even though it's moving up and I could get it in and everything like that, and I could send out a signal, I use codes, very specific mathematical codes. These codes are very accurate. You don't want to be fooled by the market. And when that code says to go long, I will of course send out the signal. Actually, I'll be able to send it out prior to that, but giving you time to get in. But on this particular one, you may not have a lot of time because it's just going straight up. But I already let everyone know. Okay, I told everybody in the signal that I wasn't going to take a loss on this one. So I'm putting a break-even stop on it right there, 98.14, give me a 4-tick buffer. But I'm hoping it doesn't come down because this thing really should go up here today. It should go up big, I think. I think it's going to go up big. I don't want to get stopped on it. I could hold it, but I told everybody I would get out. But if it comes down, I will get in another position, in a better position. And hopefully it won't come down here. Looks like it's going to. But maybe not, maybe not. Markets are looking very good for going up here. Anyway, I'll come back. All right, just got me out there. That was unfortunate. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pay attention to the other instruments, ESNQ and YM, call out the signal, and then I'm going to see if they go long. They go long, CL will also most likely follow. But what I can do is use the previous high that it just made, and I can take the break of that high. If the other instruments go long and then CL still hasn't gone long, I can go ahead and take it when it does. Long off of the new high. I'm going to let everybody know on the signal here. I'll be back. Okay, I let everybody know through the signal that if it breaks the 56, 98.56 is going to take it long, and I just did. Shooting up, I got it at 57. It's shooting up, let's see what it's going to do. Let me know if anything goes long. All right, looking good here. Signal has been sent out for ESNQ and YM, just waiting for them to go. I'm going to take them manually. Again, I can't let this thing come back on me. If it comes back on me, I'm going to have to get out. Not going to play a game here with CL. It's either going to go in the right direction or it's not. It's so slow. Usually it just goes, goes relatively quickly, actually. It's not going to come back on me again, is it? What do we got going here? Anything? Nothing's going long yet. This market's a bit tough. All right, I'm going to jump out. This market is a bit tough. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wait for the markets to go long. If the markets go long, I'll jump in behind CL and take it long. Otherwise, this thing has been too choppy. CL too choppy lately. All right, we're looking to see if it goes long. What about the ES getting close? I'll be back. Okay, I accidentally took 5 contracts on the ES. Didn't mean to do that. I need to change my default on there. I was in a hurry to get in. Anyway, I will come back. Everything's moving up here. YM's long? Yeah. Taking it. All right, everything's going up. All right, watch the dollar for me. BTC moving up. All right, could you measure the... Okay, it looks like we're going to get a big day up here. I let everybody know through the signals. It looks like a good... everything is looking right for it to be a big day up. Everything. Unlike, what was it, yesterday, everything looked terrible. But today it looks good. And it's just stair-stepping itself up very slowly too, which is another sign of it possibly going to be a good day today. When the market opens, I expect it to shoot up and go boom. And it's going to open in 21 and a half minutes. 21 and a half minutes market will open, expecting a big move up here. I'll be back. Now, I had gotten back out of that CL trade, and I don't know what CL is going to do now.
If you got bad hour, it's not.
I don't know what CL is going to do here now. If the markets are going to make a big move up today, which it looks like they are, it's a very decent possibility that CL won't do that much. It won't go up or down all that much, and neither will gold. Generally speaking, when the markets have a big day, not necessarily, but a lot of times CL and gold won't do that much. So, how much time we got? We got 20 more minutes before the market opens. Okay, it's showtime. 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. What's it going to do? Looking for it to shoot up. What is the signal on YM long?
973.
973. I've got 975.
Yeah, you're getting.
I've only got 400, 500. It hasn't gone 100 yet.
Gonna come down. No, it's gonna go up. You with me? It's gonna go up. Act like this.
All right, we've got NQ taken off here. All right, ES also. Here we go. Here we go. All right, looking for it. Let me know when it gets to ES, $20. All right, got no action on the dollar right now. It's okay, it's okay. What have we got here? Come on, 830 bar, let's do it. All right, I'm going to protect the profits here on the ES. If it comes down, I'm going to get out. If it shoots up, I'm going to hold on to it. But I'm going to protect the profits. I accidentally took it with 5 contracts. I only meant to take it with 1. I will fix that. Just got to go into the settings here, the presets, and set it the way you want it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Got a good chance here. What's everything else doing? BTC not doing much. Okay, dollar coming down a little bit now. Okay, I'll come right back. What is the signal price for NQ? I'm in at 912.
906.
906. It's not that bad.
907, sorry.
All right, come on. Let's do it. Make the move. Make the move. What are you waiting for? Why, it's going slow. Let me just jump out of the ES here. I could concentrate on the rest of them. Just thinking it's going to take off, but it doesn't do yet. Come on, make the move. I'll be right back. Okay, I got out with 2,500 on the ES. I don't want to play games with it with 5 contracts. Now I'm just going to concentrate on the NQ. Looking to get 2,000 on the NQ and 1,000 on the YM. Switching over to the YM so I can watch it. What's it doing? Okay, let's get ready to get out. Comes down to break even, I'm going to get out. What's NQ doing? I should have set my orders up. Should have set my orders up. I'll come back. You can see the NQ moving up here and YM not moving up much. NQ is oftentimes the leader and the biggest mover of them all. When it hits 2000, I'm going to get out. And I'm just waiting for the YM. If it goes back down, I'm just going to get out. Okay, 1400 on the NQ. Just need the YM to follow up here so I don't have to worry about getting out. Should have set my order up for it so I could just adjust it right now and put a stop on it so I don't have to worry about it. I could put a stop in really quick. What's it doing? Okay, I'm going to jump out of both of them. Alright, what's the NQ doing? Let's focus in on this one. Let me watch it for a second. What is it doing? Why doesn't it move very much? Alright, get ready to get out. Nothing wrong with $1,000. Alright, let's jump out. Nothing wrong with $1,000. Alright, 3 different trades. That could have been a lot easier. You know, it's the market right now. It's very tight, very choppy, very slow. It chops up and down. You don't know which direction it's going to go. It's not an easy day. It's not an easy week. The whole week has not been an easy week this week because of a tight, choppy, up and down movement. Whereas normally it's more smooth than that. And, you know, it starts to make moves and starts to make bigger moves. And, you know, it's a bit more easy. In fact, this particular one, this particular code, this is the easiest one of them all, and it usually happens relatively quickly, not like it did today, which is very slow and didn't go very far, and it still may go up. It absolutely may go up, but I don't know what it's going to do right now. So it makes it risky, and so I just took the profit and got out. Nothing wrong with doing that, especially on a Friday, especially on a market that just doesn't seem to be moving very much this whole entire week. Anyway, I believe we've got more signals coming. So I'll be back with more signals here. Okay, I'm going to stop this video right here, right now, render it out, and I'll put it up to YouTube. Yeah, because I got a little while to go before I'm going to get a signal. And so I've got a little time here, and I just want to get rid of this video and start a new one for these new set of signals today, which may not even get out until tomorrow. So they may or may not, just depends. 50% of the time they do, 50% of the time they don't, roughly speaking. But anyway, I'll be back though shortly in another video.